party people, it is Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. Today we are here with some goodies from Softflex. So this is the rainy day kit that they have sent over for us. Oh, look at the little packaging, so cute. Very cute, very cute. Okay, so if you are unaware, Softflex does some design challenge kits that they sell on their site, and they have included the list of the things, but I'm not going to look at that because I like to be surprised. But if you were looking to maybe look into getting some kits from Softflex, you would go to www.softflexcompany.com. I will also put that in the description of the video. And so this is their mystery design kit. It's supposed to contain everything you need to bead, except for tools, to make some kind of project with. And then they also have a challenge. So if you get the design kit, they have a challenge, and I think they play for free kits, like their next free kit or what have you. So any hootie, their next kit is going to be called Exotic Blooms, is what they're telling me here. So we're going to jump into this and see what we got in the rainy day kit. And then, of course, we will make a project maybe in another video. This is just going to be our little unboxing and see what we got. So, uh-oh. I'm excited. I cannot wait. I'm going in with the scissor. Maybe. I don't really. I didn't really want to cut this cute little ribbon they had on there, but there you go. All right, so let's see. Okay. Give that to Bunsen. All right, so I'm seeing some really cute stuff already. Ooh, all right. Here we go. Oh my. Okay. Hey, that's right up my alley. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right, so let me just get the little paper just in case I need it. All right, so let's start with this. So if you're unaware, Softflex is so they're based out of California, and they are a small family-run business. They specialize in flexible beading wire. So I'm sure many of you have experienced their lovely beading wire. So this one is called Tanzanite color in medium. They have sent 10 feet. This is 49 strand. Look at the color there. Super good. Excited about that. Now, it looks like, I'm just going to start out with some strands. It looks like they have sent these really cool check glass, which I love. I have actually used similar beads with this pattern in a number of projects because it is lovely. So I'm excited about those. Let's see. I'm looking on my list here to see if they tell me what they're actually called. Blue AB Chrome Rectangles. Okay. Well, I love that for us. Those. I have some more lovely check glass. I love these shapes. These shapes are really fun. These are like a flat. I was just looking to see if I can, but these are just lovely looks like check glass flat beads. They're really cool. I love a weird shape. We got a little bit of purple rondelles. I love that for us. Now this is a little something new. I feel like we have not seen something like this in the past. So now they're calling this the Blue Crystal Mix from Beadoria. Beadoria. Well, I love that. Look at that. Let's zoom in. Oh yeah, that's really cool. I like that. There's some drops in here. We love some drops. I got like some teal, some purple, some clear. This is a really pretty mix. I really like that. So that's something new and fun. Smashing. I'm just gonna swipe those over here. All right, now we've got some more things. Get rid of this staple. So here we have, looks to have some check glass. Oh, look at these cute little flowers. Some cute little flowers. Got some rondelles. Okay, we've got some crimp tubes. Now these are size 2 crimp tubes. Looks like they went gunmetal this time. We super love that. So these are size 2. So you're going to want to be using size 2 on your medium soft flex. Okay, so that's always good that they've sent those along. And in here, we look to have some vintage umbrella type situation, some little brass. Those are cute. Pair of those. Looks like we got a little pair of clouds. Oh, we got 3 clouds. 3 clouds. We've got some gunmetal earring wires and a lobster claw because we're supposed to be able to make something right out of the bag here. So these are super cute. I love these. Silver colored clouds. Yeah, super cute. Kind of got a little bit of everything here, a little mixed metal, if you will. All right, and then this one here is, let me just zoom up a little bit. This is Rainy Day Blues design elements. So we usually get a design elements. I think they couple with Jesse James on these, and so you can only get these exclusively designed for the Softflex company. So you can only get these at Softflex. So if you liked this mix, that is where you would go to get it. So let's see what they have in here. This is a fun mix. Really fun. What is this? Something goopy on there. What is this, glue? I don't know. Got a little thing. We might have, that one might need a little bit of help. Oh, that's really cute though. This one doesn't have that. That one might need a little bit of help, but maybe we can fix it up. These are cute little drops. I love the color on these. Little cubes. Got some large hole. Got some purple sparkly rondelle spacers. Those are always fun. Looks like also they sent along a little bit of teal ones. Can always use metal. Metal is good. We love that for us. Okay, we got some larger guys here. Oh no, these are cute. Pair of those. Looks like we got 4 of these guys. This one needs maybe a cap on the end or something, but there we go. We got 4 of these dark blue color. Some purple pave. There's some quite substantial metal here. Some cubes. Got a little bit of everything in this mix. I like this color, this kind of sky blue. Sticking to the theme. Oh my gosh, let's see. Quite a few of these little guys here. These little crystally round guys with the top drill. That's cute. You can do some drops or maybe a necklace or something. Some earrings. I really like these. They got the facet on the side. That's cool. I like the color of those too. These little guys are black. Looks like. Very faceted. Super cute. And then a couple little spacer stars and a few caps. These are round caps. Did they send some round beads? I was kind of hoping for like a square cap for these, but maybe on. No, I think these are too big. No, those are too big. Maybe on this large hole. Or perhaps, yeah. I don't know. We didn't really get this large of a round bead, so I mean, I guess we could cap these guys and see how that goes. But yeah. So there we go. We've got our soft flex beading wire. We've got, let's zoom out a little. Bring it all back in here. We got all of our check glass. We've got this lovely crystal pack. Now let me tell you, this new little crystal pack they're doing, I quite enjoy that. That's really fun. Because you can really do a lot with that. So I think that this is a good value for what they have sent, these check glass strands. The price on this guy, I believe, is $32.95. Is that right? Let me just double check. Sorry, $34.95. $34.95 is the price on this guy. And you get your tubes. Got some little bit of vintage. I'm trying to see if I got everything in frame. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Also, when you order the design challenge kit, they do send a $5 off coupon to for you to use on your next order if you'd like. And then it says here that this design challenge is going on Facebook, on Softflex Company Facebook group, from March 27th to April 22nd. Please post pictures of your design made with the kit in our Softflex VIB Studio Facebook group with hashtag RAIN to enter to win a future kit. The winner will be chosen at random. Lovely. Well, I love this. This is one of, I'm really impressed with this. I think that with all the crystals that they've added, the check glass and the beading wire itself, got a little vintage in here. You got your Jesse James crystals. I think you got a little bit of everything, and it's super cute. I'm excited to design something with this. This is fun. I really love this colorway. It's really nice. So there we go. This is Rainy Day, right? Rainy Day Blues Design Challenge Kit from Softflex Company. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, don't forget to subscribe, do a like, make a comment, all of the wonderful YouTubing things. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.